Pillow, pillow, pillow. Let's talk about body pillow. This is Dr. Shakib, your Irvine Chiropractor, so stay tuned. All right, let's talk about body pillow. Should you use it or should you not? And the answer is, it depends. If you sleep on your stomach, absolutely you need one. And this, by the way, is not a body pillow. That was a regular pillow. A body pillow is actually pretty long. You don't need to get fancy about it. Just something thick that will stop you from going onto your stomach is all you care about. So as you're sleeping on your side and you're a stomach sleeper, you want to have this body pillow right in between your knees, and you have it here. So as you're about to go onto your stomach, this thing prevents you, or at least slows you down. So now, should you use a body pillow if you're a back sleeper? The answer is no. Why? Because you're not going on your stomach and you don't sleep on your side. If you're a back sleeper, you just want to make sure you have a pillow under your knees, so as you're laying down, this pillow elevates your knees and it allows the curvature in your lower back to actually get closer to the mattress. If you're a side sleeper, the body pillow can be helpful. Why? Because you have this thing going in between your legs, and it's kind of easier to keep it there as you go from side to back to side, or you go from side to side. So body pillow is, to me, unless you're a back sleeper, is a must to have and will help you with your lower back issues and your neck quite a bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Hopefully you're going to subscribe to this channel and also check out my podcast, Life and Health Matters with Dr. Shakib. It's on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and on Spotify. Thanks for watching.